Hello and welcome. My name is Philipp Grote. I am the author of the book Ice Age Art and the Bear Cult. Today I would like to talk to you about the lobed sign, which is located on the panel of signs inside of Chauvet Cave in southern France. The images belong to the Aurignacian culture and are about 36,000 years old. So here we are looking at the lobed sign on a rock pendant opposite the panel of red signs. And what we can notice on here are some fissures and cracks in the rock that the ancient people probably would have seen. And if we just outline those now, going down and coming up, and then there is this small area here which actually seems modeled onto the surface. And then we draw the remaining lines. It starts to look like the lower body section of a woman. And when we look at where the lobed sign is placed on this lower body section of the woman, it actually appears that it sits comfortably within the pelvic region. So here we're looking at the lower body section of a woman. Now, if we start by drawing a line from the top left pelvic hip bone over to the right side, and we are following the lower belly protrusion, which is just below the navel. And now on this side we're coming down to the crease, which forms where the leg joins with the torso. And we're following that crease down to the pubic triangle. And now we're arching over the pubic triangle to form the basic shape, and we fill that in. And now all we do is we just add a little protrusion right at the bottom, coming down to the entrance and exit of the womb. And as we can see, we have now created the lobed sign. And I'm going to shrink the sign, rotate it a little bit, and yes, what we can tell, we have a fit. So we have just recreated the lobed sign at Chauvet Cave, which is 36,000 years old. When we look at this lobed or womb sign, what is interesting is that it forms a true labyrinth. A labyrinth is a double-sided ritual axe which was used by the Minoans in their rituals. It also appears in Greek mythology. And we can have a look at a few Minoan labyrinths now. So this is a standard labyrinth which was found in the excavations of Knossos on Crete. And here we have another labyrinth which would have been painted on a vase. And here's another one. Now this one, these three cords that are hanging down at the bottom, that relates to the knot of Isis, also something I can't go into here. But we can have a look at another labyrinth, this one here, which shows the double-sided axe as well as the knot of Isis. Again, if you're interested in this, you can either look at my book, or I'm hoping to publish another one of these videos soon.